He was really tiny. He really wanted to be held for the first 2 weeks. He was really weak. He could barely walk. We posted a video on our Instagram where he was trying to run and he fell.
I'm so sorry.
A friend came to my house and said, I don't want this baby to die.
Tyler was just a few hours old. The mom wasn't feeding him. He was crying and was still extremely skinny.
He was going to die probably that night. Brianna was holding him and says, he's not staying here.
Every time we bring a new animal home, my dad was like, not another one. Tyler was so tiny and so skinny, and we told him about the condition.
He would fall asleep on the girl's bed. We started feeding him every 3 hours, even during the night.
He had to be with us all the time because of the bottle. We took him to ballet.
Even to restaurants, but they didn't know. We hide him. He wanted his bottle.
He drank the bottle so badly, get all over us. We tried to take it away from him. He wouldn't want to let go.
We were feeding him every 3 hours and he wasn't improving, so we said something's wrong. We discovered 3 days after having him, he was infested with lice covered. It was bad.
Baby!
That's one of the reasons why he was so skinny.
These lice were taking out his energy.
He wanted to play. We'd usually run around and he'd just follow us. Run and jump, get up on the stairs.
He loves the stairs, so we were worried about him falling off the stairs. Yeah.
No. Vení acá. No.
From the 6th or 7th step, he will jump.
Stay there.
Tyler has to be supervised because he is trying to chew on everything. Blankets, pants,
¿Qué estás haciendo? No.
hair.
Tyler, are you stuck?
He's very sweet. He loves to be with us all the time. He's very attached to us.
Oh, every time Bianca kisses him, he waves his tail.
Oh, good boy.
We are sitting on the couch, he just come and jump over us, even in the golf cart. He has a good life with us, he's happy, he's a happy boy, and it's nice to have that feeling.
Hola, ¿qué estás haciendo? ¿Qué estabas haciendo?